Hi guys, today I'm going to show you on how to install Linux Firewall. First we need to copy this command. Let's copy this command. Copy. We open the terminal again. Show you the steps. Type SU for admin privileges. Type the Linux password. And then paste the command and press install. As you see, the EFE is already to the newest version. That means the firewall is installed and running successfully. If you have the firewall, it will appear it is installed. If not, it will install. If you found this guide on how to install Linux Firewall helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorial. And thank you.